Get up. I'm serious. Get the fuck up. I don't know what has you being like this. I don't care. You know about the law of assumption. You are in the law of assumption community. I don't care if you don't participate in it, you haven't commented or talked to anyone else in the law of assumption community in your goddamn life. You are a part of the law of assumption community. You know about the law of assumption, so get the fuck up. Stand up. Put your pants on, quit crying, and start manifesting. I know that this works, you know that this works, we all know that this works. So what are you doing right now? What are you doing? It doesn't matter what happened in the past. It doesn't matter what happened 1 second ago. I'm so serious. If you start in this moment, right now, by just knowing that you have your desire, without going back and forth, without crying, without reacting to the 3D, you will see that your desires are already in front of you right now. It doesn't transpire, there's no bridge of incidents, it just all falls into your lap. Because you are being the person who has your SP, that financial freedom, that amount of subscribers. You have to know it and believe it with conviction. Rita, but I can't because of this. I don't want to fucking hear it. Zip it. You know that it is whatever you think it is. You will live in the reality where you have this manifestation just by knowing that you have it right now. The reward is much more greater than whatever it is that you're going through right now and the work that you have to do in order to get there. You're not doing work and this isn't a reward. Your reality is malleable. So your 3D literally becomes in that instant that of which you are manifesting. And you're not manifesting, you are being. You are being the person who is in a relationship with your SP. You're being the person who flies every single month. You're in a relationship where he adores you and he's loyal to you. You have 5 billion views on your YouTube channel. It doesn't matter if it's not logical or it hasn't been done before, whatever. This defies all logic. You know all of this. Quit crying. Quit being the victim. No one wants to hear your sob story. You are right now very much crying about not being able to buy a first-class flight when you have all the money in the world around you in that room. You are crying thinking, I don't have the power to do this. It's not about power. It's not about magic. It's just being the person who has this thing right now, living in the end of your desired reality and not going back and forth, not switching up, being loyal to that story, being loyal to that reality. As soon as you do that, you will have your desire. So the fuck I look like crying over something that I can change right now. I have all of the tools because the tools are just me and my knowledge in law of assumption and my belief in law of assumption. I don't want to hear it. It doesn't matter where you are. It doesn't matter if for 50 years this hasn't been working for you. You get to decide in this moment today, right now in this moment, that you have your manifestation. You are living it. No ands, no buts, no ifs, no questions. You are just the you that has your boyfriend, that has the business, that is the it girl, that has the clearest skin. Whatever it is, you need to stand up and you need to be it. Quit crying. It's not getting you anywhere. From now on, I want you to just not entertain that shitty story anymore. You know better. Your life is on easy mode because you know this information. You don't need to be perfect. There's no one judging you in this. As long as you are knowing and being the person that has whatever it is that you're manifesting right now, you're fully convinced that you have this thing right now, you will have it right now. So what is the point in crying when you can just utilize the information that you already know and have everything that you have ever wanted? Get the fuck up. Stop embarrassing me, stop embarrassing yourself, and show these bitches how to fucking do it. You've got this.